What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano because right now we are forming here another interesting trading setup that I want you to know about. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 30-minute chart. Right now, we are forming here this falling wedge, which is a bullish setup. And right now, I am watching here two ways how you can use this formation to open here a long trade. First one will be valid in case of a breakout and then a support confirmation. The support confirmation here is extremely important if you want to avoid fake out, and the entry, as I said, will be somewhere above this resistance. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place somewhere back to this falling wedge, because if there will be breakdown again with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Your last take profit target, in this case, you can place under $1 mark, which is still, in my opinion, the main area that we are currently going with this pump. This trade can give you potential risk to reward up to 12.2. Of course, it will depend on how big stop loss you will choose. So even if you will take multiple take profit targets, which I really recommend doing, so for example, some of the profits take like under these highs, this high, then for example under 0.995, and then you will save something to a last take profit target, the risk reward ratio is still gonna be like 8, 9, something like that, which is, in my opinion, absolutely great potential setup, because in the long time perspective, this coin is in the heavy uptrend. You can see that for the past couple of days, we are pumping absolutely like crazy. And if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we are gonna test the liquidity in this $1 mark level. The second way how you can use this as a potential long opportunity will be valid in case of a retest of this bullish order block. So if we are gonna keep this price in this falling wedge, so the price will be doing, for example, something like this, and we are gonna test this bullish order block, which is between level 0.653 and 0.644, and there will be a liquidity gap with a support confirmation, this can be another great long opportunity. To this setup to be valid, there needs to be a really big falling wedge, and as I said, I'm waiting here for a fake out, perhaps a retest of this support of this falling wedge, and then a support confirmation in this bullish order block. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and the last take profit target, again, you can place under $1 mark, so the last take profit target can remain the same. Your risk reward ratio in this case is gonna be like around 15, but again, it will depend on how big a potential fake out will be. So the fake out can be like just 1.9%, then the risk reward ratio is gonna be huge, but I placed the stop loss under this support, which I'm always recommend doing. So with risk reward ratio 15, if you are gonna take multiple take profit targets, then again your risk reward ratio will gonna decrease, of course, but still in this case it's gonna be like 10, 11, something like that, which is another absolutely amazing setup. You can use the same take profit targets as I showed in the previous trade, but in this case you also want to take some of the profits, like for example above these previous highs, which will be an important resistance, so level 0.6846, and then for example some of the profits under this previous lows, and this previous lows, which is area, let's say 0.7109 and 7024, yeah, something like that, and the rest of the profits can remain exactly the same as with the previous setup. Another reason why I am using the $1 mark as a last take profit targets are these bearish order blocks, which are between levels 0.9765 and 0.8518, and these order blocks are on the 12-hour chart. And in my opinion, if we are gonna test this area, of course some of the profits take under this first bearish order block, if you will gonna open like any of the potential long trades that I showed you, then let's say it's level 0.8518, then I'm expecting that we are gonna take liquidity above these bearish order blocks, which means that we are gonna test the $1 mark, which is also, as I said, a psychological resistance. Another potential setup will be valid in case of a retest of this bullish order block. So if we are gonna retest this area, again, you are having here two potential options as you can use it as a potential long entry. First one will be just to buy a support confirmation of this bullish order block. So let's say the exact trade will look exactly like this. And the second potential scenario will be valid in case of a breakdown, fake out, and then a support confirmation. The fake out with a support confirmation is, in my opinion, better way how to trade it. And stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. And last take profit targets will be again under $1 mark, which will give you in this case risk reward ratio like 9.74, which is still, even if you are gonna take multiple take profit targets, this is still absolutely amazing setup, especially if we are talking about the trade on the 12-hour chart. Okay, so these were all the new setups that I'm currently watching on this coin. And if you want to know about all the coins that I'm watching right now, then I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to my YouTube channel so you wouldn't miss out on any of my new videos. But hey guys, this will be all from me for today. I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to my YouTube channel so you wouldn't miss out on any of my new video. And I will see you in the next one. See ya.